In this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect Lovable to Supabase. To do this, first simply gonna open up Lovable and go to the project that you want to integrate with Supabase. For example, I'll select this one right here. Now from there, what you want to do is click on the Supabase button in the top right where it says Manage Supabase, and then click on Connect Supabase. Then here it will then take you to your settings. If you already have an account connected, then you will have connected the organization. If you haven't done that yet, just click Connect Supabase. Now I already have a tab open where I am signed in, so for me it signs me in automatically. Then it will request permission to do some of the following things right here. So just click Authorize Lovable if you want to. Then it is connecting Supabase, so connecting your Lovable account to Supabase. And now you should see connection successful. Now what you can do is go and close this. And then here under project, you can see not connected, so you need to connect a project. So go to your organization. Now I already have a few right here. You can also go and create a new project if you want specifically for this app. So you can just name it after your app and you can set a password for it. And then you can select a region, so select the region closest to your users for the best performance. You can also go through your security and advanced configuration, then just click create new project. Now here it is now setting up your project, so you can wait for this to finish up. And now you can in the meantime configure your Supabase project by going into the left menu. Now you can see it has already been created now. So now here get started by building out your databases. So they have the table editor and SQL editor. So you can also explore the other products such as authentication, storage, edge functions, and real time. Now for example, if I go to the table editor, then here I can go and create a new table, give it a name, add the columns that I need, any foreign keys and everything else. You can just go and build out your Supabase table and your project however you need it. And after doing that, head over back to Lovable and you will then see the project now still set not connected. So now you want to go and click on connect a project again, hover over the organization, and then you should now see the new project. Then just select it and then you can see Supabase connected. Now you can follow the instructions in the chat to complete the integration. So you can see it says please connect my Supabase project to, in this case, Billify. Then it is going to give you some instructions, but in this case everything is already set up. You can just keep building for any questions you can ask. So that's basically how you can connect Lovable to Supabase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.